My name is Shay Miller and I am 16 years old. I have been coming to this orchard ever since I was little. Every year we'd come to look for pumpkins, small ones, big ones, whatever. Sometimes we'd paint the little ones and we'd carve the big ones, and it's just always fun to put them around the house. Well, for a pumpkin, I love when the bigger the better, and the round, and I like when one side of the pumpkin is flat though, for when I can carve a funny face. There's so much to do here. I know my favorite thing is to get a caramel apple. We also, in the fall, we come to pick apples, and the weather is just so beautiful.